Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are having good health. Students, in the previous class, in the last class, I explained you multiplication of integers, in which I told you that when we multiply two positive integers, then the product will be positive integer. If we multiply one positive and one negative integer, then product will be a negative integer. When we multiply two negative integers, then the product will be positive integers. If we multiply three negative integers, then product will be a negative integers. If we multiply four negative integers, then the product will be positive integers. If we multiply 5 negative integers, then their product will be a negative integers and some more properties. These are. Here also I explained closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributed property, multiplication by zero, multiplicative identity. Today we will start exercise 1C, which is based on these properties. So let us start. Again students, I have written all this exercise 1C in my register. If some students are not having book, then no problem, they can do from the video. So let us start. See here. Our first question is, write the nature of signs of the multiplicand and multiplier based on their product. Students, first you should know what is a multiplicand and what is multiplier. Suppose we are multiplying here. See, 5 into 4. Then the number by which we are multiplying. Here we are multiplying by 4 in 5. So this number by which we are multiplying is known as multiplier, and to which number we are multiplying, it is known as multiplicand, and answer of their multiplication is known as product. So here we have to tell what will be the sign of multiplicand and multiplier based on their product. So there is a table. Sign of the product is given in our question already. See here. This is the question. Sign of the product is given positive in first case, and in second case it is negative. Then if we are getting positive sign in the product, means when we multiply two numbers, if we are getting plus sign here in the product, then what will be the sign of multiplicand and what will be the sign of multiplier? Let us see. See here. If sign of the product is positive, student, when we get sign of the product positive, if we multiply, I told you in the rules, when we multiply two negative integers or two positive integers, then the sign of their product is positive. Suppose multiplicand is also negative and multiplier is also negative. See example, if we are multiplying minus 2, this is multiplicand minus 2 and multiplier is minus 3. When we are multiplying minus 2 by minus 3, then we will get plus 6. Means sign of the product is positive. So sign of the multiplicand is minus and sign of the multiplier is also minus. But we can also take both the sign positive. If we are multiply plus 2 by plus 3, again we are getting plus 6. So either the sign of multiplicand and multiplier are negative or positive. या तो दोनों साइन निगेटिव हैं तब आंसर पॉजिटिव में होगा, या दोनों साइन पॉजिटिव हैं तब आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा. इन सेकेंड केस, इफ द साइन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज नेगेटिव, सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई a plus number with a minus number, then we get the sign in product minus. When we multiply plus 2 by minus 3, 2 3 is 6, it is minus 6. And if we multiply minus 2 by plus 3, then also answer will be minus 6. Clear? So students, these whatever I have written with pencil, this is only to explain you. No need to write in your notebook. You will write only written with a pen. Clear? Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is find the following products. Again I have written all these 6 parts in my register. Find the following product. First part is we have to multiply minus 13 with minus 1. So student, how we will do? Simply we will multiply as we do. 13 1 ja 13. Then minus minus plus. You know, when we multiply two negative integers, we get the positive sign. See, the product of rule number 3. The product of two negative integers is always a positive integers. Sorry, integer, not integers. So, their multiply will be plus 13. Now, this time we have to multiply a negative integer with a positive integer. First we will do simple multiplication. 15 2 ja 30. Then add this 0. Now here it is one negative integer and other positive. So product will be minus. According to which rule? According to second rule. The product of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative integer. Next, come to C part. Minus 24 multiply by minus 1 multiply by 9. Student, first we will do these two integer. First we will multiply these two integer. Now here we are multiplying two negative integer. 24 1 ja 24. It will be plus 24. So no need to write plus. Already 24 will be considered as plus 24. Then multiply this 9. Now these two are positive integer. This is also positive. This is also positive. First we will multiply 9 4 ja 36. Carry 3. 9 2 ja 18. 18 and 3 21. And their product will be positive. Because we know when we multiply two positive integer, product will be positive according to first rule. Now come to D part. In D part, see, there are four negative integers. And I told you when we multiply negative integers in even number. If the number of negative integers being multiplied is even, then the product is a positive integer. So here what we will do, there are two methods. First we will multiply all the numbers. 1 2 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. And negative integers are in even number. Even number means negative integers are 4, which is an even number, so their product will be positive. We can do directly like this, or in other method we will multiply two integer. First we will multiply these two integer and we will multiply these two integer. So 2 1 ja 2. It will be plus 2 because here we are multiplying two negative integer. Then this multiply sign. Again multiply these two negative integers. 3 4 ja 12. It will be also positive. Multiply 12. Now here we will multiply two positive integer according to first rule. 12 2 ja 24. Then product will be also positive. Now come to E part. In E part, see, there are 3 integers. So again I would prefer to multiply first 2 integer, not directly. First we will multiply these 2 integer. Here this is a positive integer, this is a negative integer. So you know, when we multiply a positive integer with a negative integer, product will be minus negative integer. Then 8 7 ja 56. Multiply this minus 6. Now here we will multiply these 2 negative integer, and we know when we multiply 2 negative integer, their product will be positive. So we will multiply 6 6 ja 36, carry 3, 6 5 ja 30 and 3 300. 6 5 ja 30 and 3 33. This product will be positive. Again, first we will multiply these 2 integers. First is positive and other is negative. So their product will be negative. 11 9 ja 99 minus 99. Multiply this 5. Now again one integer negative, other is positive. So their product will be again negative. 5 9 ja 45, carry 4, 5 9 ja 45 and 4 49. Clear? Now come to third question. See third question. Fill in the blanks to make each statement true. Here see in the question, third one in the book. This is third question in the book. We have written all 6 part A, B, C, D, E, F, C. Minus 7 multiply. Here it is fill in the blank. Then minus 7. So by which number we should multiply this minus 7 so that we could get minus 7. So students, if we multiply this minus 7 by 1, then 7 1 ja 7. And here 1 is negative, other is positive. So their product is negative. 7 1 ja 7 means when we multiply minus 7 by 1, we get minus 7. Come to B part. In B part, here it is fill in the blank. Multiply by minus 13 equal minus 117. Students, by which number we should multiply this minus 13? So here we will divide this minus 117 by 13. If you know the table of 13, then we can read the table. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39, 13 4 ja 52, 13 5 ja 65, 13 6 ja 78, 13 7 ja 91, 13 8 ja 104, 13 9 ja 117, 13 9 ja 117. So we will write first 9 here. Now check the sign. One integer is negative, other is positive, so their product is negative. 13 9 ja 117 with minus sign. We can check our answer. Now come to E part. Minus 14 should be multiplied by which number so that we can get product 0. I think already I told you multiplication by 0. When we multiply any integer by 0, then we get in answer 0. So minus 14 should be multiplied by 0. 14 0 ja 0. 0 is never written with minus sign or positive sign. 0 is written only as 0. Now minus 15 into fill in the blank 120. This part and this part both are same. Here product is given, here also product is given. Here one of the multiplier is given, here multiplicand is given. Again we will follow the same pattern, same method. We will read the table of 15. 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75, 15 6 ja 90, 15 7 ja 105, 15 8 ja 120. So first we will write here 8. 15 8 ja 120. Now check the sign. One is negative, other is positive. So their product should be negative, but here it is positive. It is given that product is positive. It means we should put minus sign here also. So when we multiply two negative integer, then their product is positive. Now come to next question. Again, see, its B part and E part both are same. Read the table of 5. For 50, 5 10 ja 50. So we will write here 10. See, 10 5 ja 50. Again check the sign. When we multiply 10 by minus 5, we will get minus 50. But it is given plus 50. So we will put minus 10. Now when two negative integers are multiplied, we get positive sign. It is already positive. 10 5 ja 50. In the same way, this one we can do. See, minus 21 minus 121 upon this minus 11, minus minus cancel. 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11, 1 remainder, 11 11 1 ja 11. It means plus 11. So we will write here plus 11. This question also we will do like this. See, 50 upon this minus 5. 5 10 ja 50 with minus sign, minus 10. In the same way, we can do this question. Minus 117 upon minus 13. Minus minus cancel. 13 1 ja 13. 39 ja 117. Plus 9. So here it is plus 9. In the same way, this one. See, 120 upon minus 15. 15 1 ja 15. 15 8 ja 120 with this minus sign. So it is minus 8. In the same way, this one, we will divide this minus 7 with this minus 7. Sorry, we will divide this minus 7 by this minus 7. Minus minus cancel. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. It is plus 1. In the same way, this one, 0 upon minus 14. 0 upon minus 14 is 0. So answer is 0. Clear? Up to question number 3. Come to question number 4. In question number 4, find the product using suitable properties. Here, students, the multiplication properties which we have studied, we will use those properties. Using those properties, we will simplify the given question. So first A part is minus 16 multiplied by minus 23 plus minus 16 multiplied by 37. Students, if we compare this question, first see here, two pairs are given. First pair is this one, second pair is this one. In both the pair, this minus 16 is same, or we can say minus 16 is common. Common means same in both the pair. So if we compare it, A multiply B plus A multiply C, then our property is A is as common than B plus C. So we will use this property. This is known as distributive property or distributive law of multiplication over addition. So we have written this question, minus 16 multiply minus 23 plus minus 16 multiply by 37. So here, students, when we are comparing the given question by this, then value of A is minus 16. So we have taken minus 16 as common. Minus 16, then bracket, we will use bracket. From first pair, what is left? This minus 23 is left. We will write minus 23. Then this plus sign. If it is plus, then we will write plus. If it is minus, we will write minus. From second pair, we have 37. Because this minus 16 is written or taken as a common. कॉमन मीन्स जो नंबर दोनों पेयर में सेम है उसको हम ब्रैकेट से बाहर लिख लेते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ minus 16 विद इन ब्रैकेट वी विल सॉल्व इट, सिंप्लीफाई इट. minus 23 plus 37. We know when two numbers are with different sign, then subtract the smaller number from the larger one. So we will subtract this 23 from 37. We get plus 14. Then minus 16 multiply this 14. When we multiply this minus 16 with 14, we get minus 224. Clear? Now come to B part. 12 into 7 multiply 106. First we will multiply these two numbers. 12 7 ja 84, multiply 106, 84 multiply. This 106 can be written in the expanded form as 100 plus 6. Students, you have read already, you have studied expanded form in 3rd or 4th standard. So 84 multiply 106 can be written as 100 plus 6. Now using A multiply B plus C, this is A multiply B plus C. We have A multiply B plus A multiply C. So this 84 multiply 100. Now this plus is here. Now 84 multiply by 6. Then 84 multiply 100 means 8400, plus when we multiply 84 by 6 we get 504. Now add both the numbers, we get 8904. Clear? Now come to C part. In C part it is 98 multiplied by minus 34. First we will change its order. We will write first minus 34, then this multiply 98. Minus 34 multiply by 98. Minus 34 multiply 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. When we subtract 2 from 100, we get 98. Now we will use here A multiply B minus C, means distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. I have written here, using A multiply B minus C is equal A multiply B, then this minus A multiply by C. This is distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. So minus 34 multiply 100. First we will multiply minus 34 by 100. Then this minus 34 multiply by minus 2. Here it is minus 2. So minus 34 multiply 100 is equal minus 3400. Now this minus 34 when multiplied by minus 2 it become plus 68, because when we multiply two negative integers the product is positive. So plus 68. Now simplify it. It is minus, it is plus. When two numbers are with different sign, then subtract the smaller one from the larger one. So we will subtract 68 from 3400. We get minus 3332. Clear? So student, today we will do up to C part. It's remaining D, E, F part and other part of 5th question we will do in the next class. Okay students? Thank you students. Have a nice day.